Ie, mae wedi bod yn dda. Ni wedi bod yn gweithio yn ei galed, ond mae wedi bod yn dda.
Yeah, it's been really enjoyable meeting all the new people, and it was really good learning about like cameras, how to work them, the different angle types and shot types, stuff like that. Then the editing software we used was quite interesting because that's not really anything I've ever done before.
I've really enjoyed the past 6 weeks at Cyfle because I've got to meet some fantastic people, and they have the same interests as me. But also I've got to use equipment and software such as Adobe and that I've never used before, and it's really exciting getting the opportunity to use equipment like that.
I think I've learnt a lot like within the media I didn't know before I came.
Ie, I cwrdd â pobl newydd sydd wedi bod yn y field sain a gweithio hefo'r equipment bydd yna dda.
Nervous but really excited. I think it's going to be really good meeting all the new people again and seeing how everything works in the BBC. So.
I cannot wait to get started at BBC Roflock, do post-production there, and it's quite a weird feeling, to be honest, because I've got into an industry that I'm really passionate about and really want to carry on with for the rest of my life.
I'm really excited, but it's my first time with working within the industry, so I'm a little bit nervous.
Probably gweithio hefo'r equipment newydd, so I wedi gweithio hefo film, TV series equipment eto, so bydd yna'n experience that.
I think being on set is going to be really interesting because that's not something I've ever really done before. Like I've heard quite a lot about it now because we've been taught about it over the past 6 weeks. But yeah, that should be really interesting.
What I'm looking forward to the most is definitely being in the editing suites and seeing all the different pieces of technology that create a programme like Doctor Who, Casualty, Publicom, and getting to use some of the equipment as well, and also probably seeing some of the sets at Roflock.
I'm looking forward to working with like the costumes and different learning new techniques and different techniques, and more of the practical work because we've been doing a lot of like writing and on the computer.